Surprise!
Yay!
Yeah. It's a rainy, gloomy day.
Another fair. Whoa.
So we set you up a jigsaw shop. You can have 4 today because the weather's supposed to be bad.
Yeah.
You still want it videoed?
Yeah.
Okay, you're still going to have to tell us your choices then.
Sit. Whoa.
Nice, like that. Wouldn't mind being there right now. Well, maybe not in this weather, but
Might not be like that over there.
yeah.
What's that for?
I love Texas.
Yeah.
Doesn't really like Texas at the minute though, doesn't it? Texas under snow at the minute. Yeah.
I go fucking like that before.
There's one up there that your brothers would love.
Oh yeah. Panoramic one as well.
Yeah.
Dragon Ball Z.
I don't think family is a good
Another four
thing
go.
to get him to choose anything. Getting a lot of white mountains.
Dragon Ball Z's American.
What's that for?
Young and original. What are you wearing? Swing into style. So it's vintage fashion.
I go that. They go fly. I'll go side.
Have you? Nice. Guess what? What? Now you put it in 1,000 size.
Very friendly. What's that for?
Electronics store. So that's all your gadgets of yesteryear. Disney villains.
Tell me what you're thinking, Maddie.
I'm gonna wait. Whoa.
What's it between? Let your people know what it's between. Which one's it between? So that's the maybe pile. Okay, push the others to one side then. Okay. So this is your maybe pile. So let's have a look what we've got going on in your maybe. Very cool for this one.
Five.
No,
No, you're not having 5. 4's Maddie. I think 4's fair. So show me your choices then and explain them.
Give me one.
Okay, why have you picked that one?
If I go fucking like it.
Ah, okay.
Those, don't you?
Next.
Four go.
Why have you picked that one?
Disneyland.
Disneyland on it.
Ah.
Ah, okay. Good choice. Next. Texas. Why have you chosen
I
Texas?
think I'll go live there.
You think the people outdoorsed live there? Okay, you're an outdoorsed fan, aren't you?
Yeah.
And this beautiful one.
I like a ticker.
I don't know where it is. Does it say on the side of the box where it is? Should do.
Yeah.
No, that's the quality on the side of the box. Should say somewhere.
Yeah.
Go. It says Amsterdam Canal.
Amsterdam. Would you like to go there?
No.
No.
Wait.
Right. Okay, buddy. Are we all done?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Ready.
Bye.